Behold, nature's predator. This thing. As I like to call it, Blotus Trixius.
Trixie.
But what would you call her? Trixie?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Whatever. Notice how cute and cuddly and bulbous she is.
She is a bitch cat.
Shh. She is not a bitch.
Yes, she is.
At least in her normal state.
That is
But the sad truth happens whenever prey enters her vicinity. For you see, this evil creature, nice as it may seem,
She's not nice.
once she sees her prey, she will stalk it without end.
No, she doesn't stalk it.
Hold it.
Attacks it.
Watch. Friends and family of this piece of cat food may want to look away right now. She strikes, quick as lightning, and tears the poor thing to shreds.
You know what? She gulps it down whole.
Well, dear, you're ruining my documentary now. Silence. View the evil that is Epic Zubin Trixie. Dun dun dun. Dramatic reverb.
You are below her notice.
Yes, I am. This video serves
She
no
is the
further
queen of
purpose.
this castle.
This video serves no further purpose.